Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to display the battery percentage on your MacBook running macOS 26. By default, macOS won't show the battery percentage on the menu bar. To show it, go ahead and access System Settings. Next, on the left sidebar, go to the menu bar section. Look to the right and find the Battery section. Click on the Battery Options button. In here, toggle on the option Show Percentage. When you turn it on, the battery percentage number will appear right on the menu bar. And that's how you successfully enable the battery percentage. Thanks for watching the video, and remember to hit like to support the channel. See you guys in the next videos.